Hi, thank you for your time. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name's Steve.
And I'm Kate.
Perfect. And what is your experience of the jamboree?
In 2011, our son Joe was part of a Welsh contingent that went to Sweden.
Amazing. And what were your feelings about the young person applying?
I think we knew from the beginning that Joe would want to apply. He'd visited the World Jamboree in 2007 when it was in Essex, and had decided then that he would be quite keen to apply when he was the right age.
Are you worried about the time spent away from you guys?
No. Having experienced him going away previously to Eurojam, we were not used to him being away, but we understood what it would be like with him being away.
And what commitment was there for you as a parent?
I think it was quite exciting. We got to be part of that journey, helping him with fundraising and helping him with the prep events, and generally doing what we could to support him in the 2 years prior to the Jamboree, which meant that we really felt part of it by the time that he went.
And how did you feel when he returned?
We were very happy to see him. He was a little grubby and smelly, but we were very happy to see him.
I think one of the things, particularly as a parent, to remember that sometimes it takes a little while for the whole story of the Jamboree to come out. So it can take a number of days before you start to hear a lot of the stuff, because I think people are quite overwhelmed and quite shattered when they return.
Okay. And what effect did it have on him?
I think it had quite a big effect on him. It really showed him what it was like to be a young person and compare himself to young people the same age from across the world, and have a little think about what his life was like in comparison to theirs. And I think it had a big effect on perhaps the way that he carried on forward from that point.
Do you have any tips for anyone applying to go this time, for the parents and for the young person?
For the parents, I would say you have to be fully committed behind your young person.
I think it's important to know that World Jamboree gives them so much, and just gives them so many skills. It does put them on a different plateau to their peers, and I think it's a real investment in their future. And as a parent, I would say support them to the hill, because you will reap the rewards.
Perfect. Thank you for your time, guys.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventures to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.